right?
Mm-hmm.
You know that saying, beans that make you fart the more you eat, or beans are good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart.
Mm-hmm.
Wise saying. Where the heck is my hood? Welcome to my hood.
That boy Afco fitted.
Bro, Gary's has AFCO.
Yeah, I seen they posted it on Facebook.
It's like they got their like logo on it. They're sponsored.
Are you gonna get one?
I saw. Oh, bro! Oh my God! Oh, he's behind it! He's behind it! He took it, bro! He took it! Oh my God, bro! No! Oh man! That was insane, bro. Oh my
Freaking
God!
hey!
This blowing, so make it difficult, but. Uh-oh. Big weight behind. See that? There he is. He got him. He got him. Little rat red. What is that, 2 points? That's a point. Good job. Stole my topwater bite. Dadgummit.
Nice way to start the day. Quick too.
Quick too, yeah. He followed mine in. You seen that?
Mm-hmm. Well, there was All right, y'all. So I know it's probably been a minute. The sun already up, but we've been out here since about what 5 o'clock this morning.
About that, yeah.
Got a couple blow-ups on top, but just finally got a little baby red to fight. So good way to start the day.
There he is. Oh! Oh, I just pulled him out of the water. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. That snook just went flying, bro. Did you catch that?
Yeah, I seen it.
Oh, gosh, dude.
I think I started recording right when he did it too.
Wow. Style point?
Yeah, man.
You had him hooked?
Yeah, at one point.
Yeah. I don't know, but he didn't jump like that.
He was waking on top there.
Full body, like jump out of the water like that.
Torpedo,
dude. I think it's probably like 25 inch. Would you say?
Yeah.
I'd say he's about 25 inches.
Finally.
Yes, dude. Yes. That is a nice snook. That is a really nice snook.
Can you turn my camera on?
Yeah. Oh. Let me get my thing out of the way here. Noise.
I'm finna get in.
Yeah. Nah, you got it, dude.
Nah, bro, man. Please,
Noise.
Matter of fact, I'm a gangster.
Yeah. You're a gangster, bro. You got this.
Why you call out from work, y'all?
This is exactly why you call out from work.
Good shit, dude.
trolling motor. Watch the trolling motor. Oh no. You want me to scoop him? Oh yeah. Oh, a beauty. Nice.
Finally, right?
Finally, bro.
What, like 3 hits from a snook today? 2 trips, finally got one to bite. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I was real nervous. I ain't want to lose them. I did not want to lose this one, but hey, I got one, y'all, so I'm happy about that. And I had them buttoned too, so.
Let's get that hook out. You got the bubble blade right under your foot. Oh. It pops out. That's what's up.
I didn't want to lose them, y'all.
All right.
All right, bet.
Looks like we're 4-3.
Man, you take a picture for me.
Yeah. Hey, watch trolling motor.
All right, y'all, we're gonna let him go. He's just gonna go when he's ready.
Like loose. Well, yeah, a bit loose is just for you, bud.
He was cruising that beach.
Cruising that beach.
You want to get a release of him on the beach or what?
You gonna grab him? Careful, careful. Hook yourself. What a beast, bro. Yeah. Woo. He's gonna wiggle. He gonna wiggle. He gonna wiggle. All right, I need de-hookers. Boys, he's a giant. Yes, sir. Come on. Oh my goodness, guys. Woo! Needed that. Let's let this guy get some air real quick. Oh. Can't wait to get dunked. Ooh, nice. 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 Good fish?
Yeah. Might be a red. Oh, no, it's a big snook.
Big snook.
Trying to keep him down. Hey, you turn my camera. Oh, Zachy, there's like 10 of them, Zachy. Hey, come up here. Come up here. Right. Bro, come up here, bro. There's like 10 of them, bro.
Keep your rod tip straight up so I can see him.
I don't want him to jump.
Which way is he going?
He's right here in the front of the boat. They're with him. They're still with him. You see him all right here?
Yeah.
Watch my line.
Oh, where am I going? Where is he?
He's out here now.
Okay. I want one so bad.
Got a big one on, y'all.
Oh, I see him. He's a monster, dude. He is a monster. Let me get you on the camera, bro. This is insane.
Can you get my camera on too?
Yeah.
Hey, can you turn us around? Cause I barely got no hook. Yeah. I'm probably gonna get in.
Huh?
I'm gonna get in.
No, don't get in. It's too deep. Use that pressure. That's a big boy. You get that drag loose?
Come on.
He's tired. He made a huge run, bro.
Yeah, he made a big run.
Oh, he was right on the butt. Oh, careful, careful, careful. He's gonna throw it. He's gonna throw it. He's gonna throw it. Careful, he got him. Secured the bag. Let's go.
All right, y'all boys, I done got me a big one. Straight giant. There was like probably 10 of them swimming with him too when he hit. We could have got a chance to double up, but these guys are real finicky. But boy, I'm too happy about this one. This is a giant.
That's a giant.
Get a length on him in a second.
Mm-hmm.
Hook just falls out.
Ooh.
That's 2 times in a row the hook just falls out. That's why I'm saying, bro, these fish are hard to catch. You got to keep pressure on them, but you got to give them drag at the same time.
That's a slot fish. What a beauty.
Get him some water and get a couple pictures of him and let him go.
Yeah, let him soak for a second.
All right, y'all boys. Big one. Let him go and he's ready. I know he's probably tired from that fight. He made a pretty good run. We're just gonna get him back right.
There he goes.
Hey.
Good fish, man.
Thank you, bro.
All right, guys.
Needed that.
So we're gonna.
This looks so.
Oh, bro.
What?
Monster.
Snook?
Absolute monster, man.
I just got hit. I got him.
Nice, dude. I see them. Keep him there.
Oh my goodness.
Don't let him.
Are those reds? I got a red, bro.
I got him.
Oh, we doubled up on reds. Doubled up on reds. I got a giant. I got a freaking giant. Mine's for sure 3. Woo!
Boss man. You land him, it's 5 to 10.
I know. He's huge, bro.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming straight for you.
Come up. It's going to keep sinking low. Careful with that pressure.
He came off.
Bro.
That hurts.
Easy come, easy go. Alright guys. So we were at the first spot. We both produced a fish. Cal ended up getting a redfish as well, so we had a score of, what's it called? 7-5 because I also caught a snook and I also caught a slot redfish. Wait,
I caught 2 snook.
you caught 2 snook? Damn.
I should have had 4, but I caught 2.
Under slot.
Yeah, so at 1 point.
Yeah.
If y'all boys want to be technical, nah, yeah, technically that's the right score, but I'm disappointed in myself because I should have had 4 snook and 2 reds and 1 red that was over slot. So I left a lot of points out there, but it is what it is. We having us a good day. It's still early, still low tide. Just gonna keep on trucking on.
Keep on trucking on. Getting biting bigger.
Getting biting bigger. Oh, he's finna come up right here by me, bro. Oh!
Oh, man.
Oh!
Let me get some views. That is a big old boy.
Watch your trolling one. Awesome. Sometimes it's the little things, man. I'm sitting here enjoying the lunch. Seen old big old manatee.
Guess he didn't have a Kobe underneath him.
DJ Cali, that's all you had to say. You thought about it too hard.
Cali G, Cali DJ on the beat. Oh, Michael Hutchinson caught a fish. Oh man, what is that? It's a red? There's a little rat red.
That's a point though. We'll take it. All right, y'all.
I hope you guys enjoyed my rap because I don't know if I can edit it out. Show me some.
We'll take it.
Good job, dude.
Embarrassing. Gotta break her in.
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice one, dude. Oh, it's a little red. Swing it, bro. Damn. 95. That's work.
That's word, baby. I ain't mean to hurt him, y'all, but I needed them points. All right, y'all boys. Little pup red. It's like number. It's like my 3rd one of these guys. Little baby, he purdy though. What that is, 9 to 5?
9 to 5.
9 to 5. I called in today though. How does that make you feel?
I'm happy you caught a fish, bro.
You happy I caught a fish?
Yeah.
Oh. It ain't sound.
I remember the score last time.
What was the score last time?
13-3.
So what I gotta win? About what, 18 to 5? That's possible.
It is possible. I hope that doesn't happen.
y'all boys. We headed back to the crib. I kind of cut the video a little short there because Zachy had a little hiccup at the end of the day that we ain't gonna really talk about because, you know, we don't like to talk. If we ain't got nothing nice to say, we ain't gonna say nothing at all. So we just gonna end it with that. We got looked out by some good people. So anything to say, Zachy?
It is what it is.
It is what it is, y'all. Hey, we in the car now. So I guess I'll see y'all on the next video whenever that is. But man, y'all be safe out there.